We are arriving, and from here we can, oh, little mini cat. We're very close now. We're arriving. We're finally there. It took a long time. You can hear the little birds singing because it's spring. And it's so beautiful. There's a little romantic park with spring flowers in the tree. And look at the little pigeons sing. This park is very, very beautiful. And it has the most gorgeous church in the world. Oh, it's incredible, but we just went and there's so many people visiting that it's not available to visit today anymore, or we just would have a little hour to visit in the afternoon, so we're gonna come back another day and buy the tickets online. I love this. Even if we didn't get in.
Hello. Hey.
We are in Avinguda Gaudí, and from here you can see Sagrada Familia. More little cute cafes. Some little cute restaurants there. Hospital. Such a cute. Look at that magnificent piece of art here. Oh, isn't that beautiful? This is the hospital. Hospital de Sant Jaume.
The lines are much harsher.
And here it is. Look at the whole area. Very beautiful spring day today too. A little bit cooler, but nice. The view in the Sagrada Familia and the view to the Hospital de Sant Jaume. We are going back home. We're going to take the bus now, so hopefully I will be able to film that too. This is still part of the hospital, and I found this little cute thing here. We just found that little hidden treasure that we didn't know. It's really beautiful. I find it very beautiful. And we're going in, I guess. Oh, really? It's a very nice spring day. I'm saying that a lot lately, but it looks like spring just came in. It's really nice. very relaxing. Maybe there's a shy human being ahead of me. I'm gonna go through this beautiful square. There's lots of bicycles here. There's like a sort of sculpture there and a park here for children. And the Arc of Triomf. Arc de Triomf. Catalan Arc de Triomf in Barcelona. Da, 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 da. Arc de Triomf. We are arriving. All these green spaces here. We're gonna arrive very soon to Arc de Triomf. And oh, look at these cute flowers for spring. Adorable. You can't appreciate with these lights, but these buildings here are awesome. And here we are arriving at a very old, incredibly adorable library. It's a public library. And inside there's a Statue of Liberty, like a replica. And it's really, really, really cute. Look at this sign. And this is it here. The little area. It looks a lot like Passeig de Gracia, but it's not. Yeah. Absolutely adore these. How cute is that? Fonda, which means bakery for bread only. Look at it. Getting so close now. I like that building in the side. It's like magnificent building. Oh. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so beautiful. I think it's really spectacular. So beautiful. And so, yeah, there's loads of tourists here, but how cute this park is. It's so beautiful. Glass here. It's really, really cute. It's a shame that they're repainting it or something right now, but it's very beautiful. Going back to the Look at that cuteness! Oh, that's so cute.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
There's this purple leaf. I find it so elegant and beautiful. Not a lot of tourists know these. And it's in Parc De La Ciutadella. So beautiful. Lovely garden for our parliament. Look at all these flowers here. This little garden. I find it so elegant and beautiful. This is the Parlament of Catalonia. In Barcelona. I love the view from here. There's a park there that continues. Look at that door. Details from the door. So cute. Nice view from Arc de Triomf, which is right there. If you can see. I'm filming with the most amazing phone right now, but it's not mine. These beautiful trees. And I really like those red flowers there on that street. Opening. I'm gonna show you the train station, the most beautiful train station in Barcelona now. Nice avenue here. That's a nice little elegant avenue. We're so tired right now. I'm so thirsty. It was a warm spring day today. Look at how beautiful this avenue right there. I don't know if you can see with this light. This beautiful place there is. Look. Very elegant. There's the market there. I think it's Mercat Del Born. The Catalan taxi. We're at Mercat Del Born. This is the train station that's the most beautiful in Barcelona. And look at the majestic flag of Catalonia. Ta-da! There's this cute cafe right there. A very, very old area, these. But I think it's very charming. And very relaxed and peaceful. It's actually, it looks quite humble, but it's not. It's actually one of the most expensive places in the city because they're trendy and all that. More arty and trendy. It's quite adorable. Look at those windows right there. This is a very beautiful street.
This is the wrong way.
And I really love these old pavements. Some architectural detail that I liked. We're heading to the train station now. These little art galleries, very trendy and cool. It's the trendy neighborhood here. There's some cute cafes. I'm not saying that in a bad way, by the way. It's just cute that they're all like in order. And here we are at Passeig de França. There's a spectacular train station in Barcelona. Very, very beautiful. I love it. I'm going to take you inside. Look at how cute the station is. amazing. I love it. Coming out of Passeig de França. And we're in the beautiful streets again. Now there's a little bit of a better view. The shops. And this is Plaça Sant Jaume. More Catalan flags. This is a little bakery. The back of the cathedral. We are at the organic store and it's called Veritas. It's the only place that is open today for food, apart from cafes and restaurants. It's a really nice place, Veritas, in Plaça Sant Jaume, actually in Gran. Organic food, healthy. That's an old pastisseria. All the little pastries. And here we're gonna arrive to a very old, incredibly cute candle place. There's people walking in the middle. It's closed today, but they have seasonal themes, as you can see. There's candles for Easter. And I'm gonna include a clip of this shop when it's open in the vlog. It's really adorable. Even inside, it's very, very cute inside. Can you see there? So cute.
That's one of the main reasons why I'm
There's little cute places here. And that is nice. That place. And this is another very cute place. It's actually like a candy shop. Catalan. It's really, really cute. Wow. Adorable. And these, I think, gives access to Plaça Royal. this gorgeous building here. There's something Chinese and a very beautiful building here. And there. Very old cafe, quite cute. And now we're heading to Plaça Catalunya. Here's the big mall. It's a shopping mall.